In this video, we are gonna discuss different forms of greetings used in various German-speaking countries. In German, greeting is Begrüßungen. Once again, Begrüßungen. The greetings will give you feeling of the German pronunciation and it will help you a lot to understand German. Here we follow German and English translation format. Let's start the journey. Hallo. Once again, Hallo. This is the most commonly used form of greeting in Germany. There is a difference between English and German pronunciation. Please note it's Hallo and not Hello. These days, some people will also greet with a simple hi. You can use Hallo for both informal and formal situation. Guten Tag. Once again, Guten Tag. That is good day. This is another commonly used form of greeting but used mostly in formal situations. This can be used any time of the day. Let's learn some greetings that can be used only during the particular time of the day. Guten Morgen. Once again, Guten Morgen. That is good morning. Guten Abend. Once again, Guten Abend. That is good evening. This is used to wish someone a nice evening. Please note that even during late evening, the greeting can be used. Gute Nacht. Once again, Gute Nacht. That is good night. Let's learn some regional greetings. Grüß Gott. Once again, Grüß Gott. This originates mostly from Austria, which is also a German-speaking country and is mostly spoken in Germany in Bayern or Bavaria. Bavaria is the biggest state of Germany. Here you can see some new characters, but don't be scared. The beta sign here is the sound of a double S and the U with those two dots are umlaut. We will discuss this later. Servus. Once again, Servus. This greeting originates from Switzerland and is mostly used in southern Germany. It could mean both hello and bye. This greeting can be used any time during the day. Tschüss. Once again, Tschüss. This is spoken all over the Germany and mostly informally. You will also find Tschüss with a different spelling, that is with a double S at the end. Some people also just say ciao. The word ciao comes from the Italian language but it also used in lots of European countries. Auf Wiedersehen. Once again, Auf Wiedersehen. This is also used all over the Germany but mostly in formal situations. Auf Wiederhören. Once again, Auf Wiederhören. This is not very different from Auf Wiedersehen. The only difference is that Auf Wiedersehen is used on the phone since you cannot see the person. Bis bald. Once again, bis bald. Bis später. Once again, bis später. Let's revise. Hallo, Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht, Grüß Gott, Servus, Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiedersehen, bis bald, bis später. Do learn these greetings. This will help you a lot to understand German pronunciation as well as German culture. Do not go deep into it. We'll practice step by step. Just focus on the pronunciation or a little bit on spelling. For more practice, you can check our Telegram channel Abutment K Academy, link given in description box. There you can access more examples along with questions for practice with answers in PDF format. Thank you for watching. Bis bald.